ladies, it's Daisy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have an update on this beautiful Ishow hair. It is the straight lace front wig. I'm going to show you how I got it installed, give you an update on how this hair is doing, and if you're interested, keep on watching. So here I have my Ishow wig. It's this straight beautiful wig that I already did a review on. We're doing an update, and who doesn't love a good straight wig? So we are going to install this again. It's been about a month and this hair is still fly. Okay, so we're going to go back in with Gots to Be Glue. So I'm gonna let this wig sit for about an hour and then I'll be back. You can really do like 30 minutes, but I got time. So it just depends on how much time you got. So here's the final look. This is a 24-inch Ishow hair wig. It's a straight lace front wig, and Ishow Hair is one of my favorite companies to work with, hands down. They always send quality hair wigs. This wig actually has 13x4 parting space, and here's the baby hairs pre-plucked. I didn't go too crazy on the baby hairs. I want to make sure that the hair looks more natural, and it's still flowy and super straight. It doesn't tangle at all. I haven't had any hairs coming out. I really love this wig. You don't have to do much to it. This really took me like less than an hour to do this install, and it usually takes me a long time. For one, I already did the baby hair, so once you already pluck the hairline and everything, the install is super easy. I really love installing the wig like the second time because baby hair is already done, and like I said, it's super easy. So you just put it on, you know, do a little swoop here and there, and you're good to go. So overall, I would highly recommend this hair. It's bomb. It's like you have no problems with it. It's affordable. You can't beat it. The only thing is I wish it had a little bit more volume, but if you're a person that doesn't like too much volume, this is perfect for you. Or if you like a little bit more volume, just go up a little bit. I think you need like 180% density to get that full volume. I believe this is 150, but if you're trying to save some coins, stick with 150, you'll be fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please show your support. I appreciate it. Give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. If you're not already subscribed, I'm watching you. We here. So until my next video, peace.